For years, enterprise automation was defined by a single, unwavering principle: predictability. We built systems thriving on perfect repetition, automating the mundane so humans could focus on the complex. For over a decade, this era was dominated by traditional robotic process automation, or RPA. Today, we stand at the edge of a paradigm shift, moving from pure execution to autonomous cognition. Boardrooms no longer ask how to automate exact clicks. They ask how to build AI agents that figure out the sequence themselves. This is the leap from blindly following instructions to intelligently achieving outcomes. Think of traditional RPA as a highly efficient, incredibly fast digital train. It requires precisely laid tracks to operate. If the track is perfectly straight and clear, the train is flawless. RPA bots are explicitly programmed to execute rules-based, repetitive tasks. They scrape screens, copy invoice data, and paste it into an ERP system exactly as told, thousands of times a minute. But here is the limitation. RPA bots have no idea what they are doing. They lack context and adaptability. If a vendor changes an invoice layout, or an update moves a button, the bot crashes. The track is broken. Maintaining traditional RPA requires constant effort to fix these brittle, deterministic scripts every time a system updates. Autonomous AI agents represent a fundamentally different architecture. If RPA is a train on a fixed track, an AI agent is an off-road vehicle with a dynamic GPS. You do not tell the agent exactly how to get to the destination. You simply give it the coordinates and the objective. AI agents are powered by large language models and cognitive frameworks, allowing them to perceive their environment, reason through problems, make real-time decisions, and take independent action. They do not rely on hard-coded scripts. Instead, they understand context, process unstructured data, and adapt to changing interfaces dynamically. The striking difference becomes apparent when things go wrong. In a traditional RPA setup, if a customer sends an email with an unstructured request, instead of filling out a standard form, the bot immediately kicks the task to a human exception queue. It is an if this then that system, encountering a what is this scenario. An AI agent, however, thrives in the gray area of unstructured data. It can read the email, understand the intent, extract relevant information, realize it is missing an account number, autonomously draft a polite reply asking for it, and put the task on hold. It handles the exception through intelligent reasoning, not by giving up. Their technological underpinnings dictate their capabilities. RPA is deterministic, relying on basic screen scraping and rigid APIs. AI agents are inherently probabilistic, utilizing semantic search, vector databases, and memory modules. They remember past interactions, learn from mistakes, and dynamically use external tools. An AI agent can independently decide to write and execute a Python script to format messy data, query a database, or browse the internet to verify an address. They break down high-level goals into manageable subtasks, continually evaluating progress until the objective is met. Because of this, implementation is completely different. Traditional RPA requires exhaustive process mapping. Analysts must document every single click before a developer writes code, taking months of preparation for a brittle payoff. Deploying an AI agent is much closer to onboarding a human employee. You provide the agent with a role, access credentials, a description of available tools, and a clear mandate. You give it guardrails, and then let it orchestrate the workflow. This shift is not about AI agents killing off traditional RPA. It is about evolution and convergence. RPA still has a place for perfectly static legacy processes where deterministic execution is a regulatory requirement. But the future of enterprise automation undeniably belongs to agents. We are witnessing the rise of Agentic RPA, where legacy RPA bots are treated as tools for a higher-level AI agent. The AI agent acts as the cognitive brain, doing the reading, thinking, and planning, and hands off the repetitive physical execution to the RPA bot, acting as the hands. Businesses clinging solely to traditional RPA will be trapped by escalating maintenance costs. The companies that win the next decade will transition from programming brittle bots to managing intelligent digital agents. Thank you.